Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the origin of life on Earth. Now we know that life began at least 3.5 billion years ago on this planet because that is the age of the oldest rock with fossil evidence of life on Earth. Earlier than this one, there is no fossil record, so we are not sure. We can only assure that this was the time when the first life form originated on Earth. Nonetheless, 3.5 billion years old rocks with fossils can be found in Africa as well as Australia, and they are usually a mix of solidified volcanic lavas and sedimentary cherts, the pieces of the sedimentary rocks. The origin of Earth is a very complex story. Its surface has undergone a long evolution from the initial hostile conditions to more favorable conditions, experience extreme changes over a period of millions of years. Since its earliest accretionary phase, where gases and dust began to coalesce under the influence of gravity, it has been a dynamic planet from the beginning. Bombardment from the asteroids in the earlier phase of this planet and a hot inner core that meant that the earliest environment on Earth was very hostile, just like a bare rock. And geologists refer to this time starting at Earth's initial formation as 4.6 billion years ago as the Hadean Eon. Now, the word Hadean is derived from the Greek god Hades, who ruled the underworld, and is an apt analogy for the hellish environment, very hostile and hell-like, very hot, extremely hot environment is depicted and is named according to the god of Greek known as Hades. Geologists they have long been studying the few remnants of this time recorded in the rocks in the hope of finding some more clues about the condition on Earth at that time. The only record from between 4.6 to 4 billion years ago that remains are found in hardy crystalline minerals called zircons. However, it is vital that scientists learn as much as possible about that time, as it is in these inhospitable and hellish conditions how the origin of life occurred. When we talk about the simplest life form, the organic molecule which combine together to give rise to the earliest life forms, those organic molecules have the tendency to live in those harsh environments, and many experiments have been done in the laboratories which mimic the initial condition of the Earth when there was volcanic eruption and there were thunderstorms and there was no protection from UV radiation. In the presence of these environment, the synthesis of organic molecules and by combining these organic molecules to give rise to the simplest life form is a remarkable time in the evolutionary history of planet Earth.